Good morning, all of you. So you can see in this, this is what the isometric component given. So we have to construct the isometric views, that is front view, top view and side view. You can see this is your isometric. Isometric means it is nothing but the 3D view of the component, okay, wherein it will show the dimension both in x, y and z direction. Okay, isometric means it is a 3D component. Okay, but the orthographic means, so it is the individual views. You can say the top views, side view and front view. So the separate views what we get, that what we called as your orthographic views. Okay, here we need to convert this isometric into orthographic. Okay, that's what we have to do in this problem. Okay, you can see there is a front view exists, there is a front view, side view and top view exists. So we have to analyze each of these views and we need to construct all these front view, top view and side view. Okay, they have mentioned in the question front view looking from x means that is your front view. So then you can see there is a top view exists. Okay, and there is a side view. So we will be constructing each of these views one by one. Okay, so first I'll be constructing xy and x1 y1 line. So thereby I'll be dividing the regions for both top view, front view and side view. Okay, so here I'm drawing xy line. So I'll be mentioning xy. Okay, I'll be mentioning x1 y1, that is profile plane here. Okay, that is x1 and y1. Okay, now we need to analyze. So we can write this here. Here I will be constructing the front view. That's why I've written FV. And here I will be constructing top view and here side view. So that's what the short notations. Otherwise I will write the full thing. Front view. Okay. Top view. Top view. And this is our side view. Okay. Now we have to analyze the isometric. You can see in this isometric, so this is our front view. So which are the faces visible from this front view? We need to analyze. I will write it. This is our front view. So this is our top view. So we need to look at this component from the top view. That's why it is top view. And this is where we get the side view. Okay. This is we have the side view. Okay. So you can mention the shortcut also. Okay, in the next problems I'll be mentioning shortcut, that's why I'm writing there. Okay, you can analyze from the front view which are the faces visible here. You can see I'll be constructing there front view, top view and the side view. You can see the front view and side view always adjacent to each other. Okay, adjacent to each other, and then top view and front view will get in a vertical collinear line or a plane. Front view always adjacent to the side view. In order to connect the top view with the side view, we draw 45-degree angle line. Okay. So now I'll be analyzing the front view. So to analyze the front view, which are the faces visible, I'm going to shade it. Okay. I'm going to shade it. So this is how it is easy for us to identify which are the faces visible from the front view. You can see that L shape is visible from the front view, and then this rectangular face also visible from the front view. I'm shading it. Okay, and this face also visible from the front view. Okay, so these three faces are visible from the front view. We need to draw. You can see the length of it, it is having 104 mm, and the height it is having 48 mm. So that means we can construct one rectangle with 104 and 48 mm with thin lines. Okay, so I'll be drawing a line here, horizontal line for 104 mm. You can see all these dimensions were in mm. Okay, so 104 mm. So the height here we should get, that is 48 mm. Okay, so mention 48. Okay, and the same thing we can do it. As I mentioned, we'll be constructing a rectangular face. From there we are going to dark the things. Okay, okay, so now you can see, analyze this front view. Okay, front view. So we need to have a dimension here. You can show the dimension. which we have constructed a rectangular face here. Dimension of 104 here. We can mention that. Okay, 104, and this is we have 48 mm. Okay, height. Okay, so now you analyze the diagram. So in the diagram you can see the L type shape component we should get, and it is having a height of say 16, and from there it is having a dimension of say 24. So we can mark here 24 and then 16, like that we can do. So first I will be doing 24, marking for 24 mm, and then vertically downward I will draw a line. So mark for 24. Okay, then vertically just draw a straight line. Okay, and then here from this end we should exactly cut it at a height of 16. Okay, so here also I'll drawing one line horizontally. Okay, okay, and then we need to extend by 16 mm as it is mentioned. It's like steps. Steps were there exactly at 16 mm height. Okay, can construct that. So you can see here we will erase this part. It is similar to L shape. Okay, we will erase that. Now we should dark the faces which is exactly visible from the front view. Okay, we should dark it. So these are the faces. This is how it is exactly look like in front view. Okay, in the front view. So we should dark that. Okay, okay, now we need to construct the, can show the dimensions. Okay, it is, so showing the dimension is, so it is having dimension of 24, and this is having a dimension of 16. Okay, all these three steps are having a dimension of 16. However it is there in the front view, we are showing the dimension. Okay, so dimension of, okay, 16 we should mention. Okay, so we will draw project the lines here. We will draw the projection lines downward to draw the top view, because we know that these things are occurring in collinear. Okay, now we see the top view, so which is looking from the top. So in the, from the top view we are able to see, okay, we are able to see this one. I am going to shade it with the straight lines here. Okay, this face it is visible from the top view. By looking from the top view we are able to see this one. Okay, I'm just shading it with the straight line here. Okay, and this face also visible from the top view. Okay, okay, this is what it is visible. You can see so it is having a length of 104, and then it is having a width of 72. 100 by 72 we should construct a rectangle here. First I will construct that 100, and then I will take 72. Okay, so 104 we already have it here. 104 already we have it here, so you can just draw a line. Okay, so draw the lines straight so that we get the exact dimensions. Okay, make sure you draw the straight lines. So 104, draw one line, and then another the width we should have it here, that is 72. So we'll erase this. Okay, Okay, so you can show the dimensions. So one side we know it is 104 and the other side we have it is 72. We show the dimensions here. Okay, so it is having a dimension of 72. Now we can see, so we will take up that. Okay, you can see it is like L shape we should get. Okay, first I will construct that L shape. So you can see both the sides are having a space of exactly 24. So we will mark that first. Okay, 24 exactly, 24 you can mark it. Okay, here also you can mark for 24. Okay, then draw lines here. So where they are intersecting we get the L shape here. Okay, okay, the L shape is done. Okay, now you can see each of these rectangular faces having the dimension of again 24. So we can mention it. So it is 24. Okay, so this completes the top view. So we should dark it. Okay, we can mention dimensions here. So each of these top face having dimension of 24. Now we have to draw the side view. You can see like side view we should construct. Okay, so you can see this is what I will be shading that with the help of dots, the side view. Okay, that will we will get a clear understanding of it, how to do that. Okay, so you can see adjacent to the front view we have the side view. Okay, I'll be drawing the projection lines here. Okay, okay, in order to connect the side view with the top view we should construct the 45-degree angle line. So this concept you all know it. To connecting the top view with respect to side view we should construct the 45-degree angle line at the intersection of x5 and x1 y1. I'll be placing the protractor and marking for angle 45 degree. Now draw an angle line passing through this 45 degree. Draw a straight line. Okay, so this having an angle of 45 degree. Okay, now project the lines from top view till it touches the 45 degree angle. Okay, so I will extend this angle line little lower. Okay, so projecting upward, projection lines we should project upward also. Okay, now here we get the side view. Okay, side view, you can see here the side view how we get here. So you can see that. So from here to here you can show the dimension. So it is having 72 mm. Okay, you can show that. So we can give the like a staircase 24 16 24 16 24 16. So like that we should get it. Okay, I'll be constructing for 24 then 16 24 16 24 16 like that. Okay, Okay, if it is find useful for the student, please subscribe for the channel, and you can share the video. Okay, and hit on the bell icon for the notifications. Okay, you can like the video. So this is how we get in the side view. You can show the dimensions here. So that is 16. Okay, so total length it is having 72. Okay, so that is having dimension of 24. Okay, so that completes the problem. So front view, top view connected with the side view. So you can share the video. So subscribe for the channel. Okay, and hit on the bell icon. Okay, so you can subscribe for the channel and share it to more students so that it will be helpful for them. Okay, the side view of it, you can see that. You can see the side view. So this is also consists of the side view of it. Yeah. Okay, so we will put dots here to indicate that. Okay, so we need to construct this part. So we just draw an elbow type, that is L type, to connect it. You can see like this we can join. So that completes the problem.